Skillz says its platform runs more than 4 million tournaments every day and awards more than $100 in prizes each month. But those numbers are across the entire platform, not what one player is guaranteed to earn. By the end, you'll know 5 legitimate game options in 2026, how each one pays, and which type of player each one makes the most sense for. Number 5 is In Blackout Bingo. It is a competitive bingo game available through Skillz, with free matches and cash competitions. Your result depends on your performance against other players, so this is a skill-based competition rather than a passive rewards app. Number 4 is Pool Payday. The game uses competitive pool gameplay, so your ability to aim, control shots, and score consistently directly affects your results. It is a better fit if you want a traditional skill game instead of a rewards app built around completing offers. Number 3 is In Solitaire Cashin. The game uses timed solitaire tournaments, and each tournament shows the entry fee and prize structure before you play. A standard game lasts 5 minutes. That makes it easier to understand exactly what you are entering before spending money. Number 2 is In Free Cash. This works differently from cash tournament games. Instead of competing directly for a prize pool, you complete game offers and reach specific milestones to receive rewards. That can include installing a game, reaching a particular level, or completing another requirement listed in the offer. Number 1 is Mistplay. If your priority is playing mobile games without paying an entry fee for every competition, Mistplay rewards qualifying gameplay with points that can be exchanged for available rewards. The exact games and rewards can vary depending on your location and account. The biggest difference between these options is how you earn. Blackout Bingo, Pool Payday, and Solitaire Cash use competitive gameplay, so winning depends on your performance and the rules of the individual tournament. Free Cash uses game-based offers, so the important number is the reward attached to the specific milestone you complete. Mistplay uses a reward system, so you are earning through qualifying gameplay rather than directly beating another player for a cash prize. There is one practical step you should take before using any of them. Check the withdrawal rules, cash competition availability, entry fees, and eligibility requirements in your location. Also, do not treat advertised prizes as guaranteed income. Cash competitions can involve losing entry fees, while rewards platforms can change their available offers. So, choose Mistplay for casual rewards, Free Cash for milestone-based game offers, and In Solitaire Cash, Pool Payday, or Blackout Bingo if you specifically want competitive skill games. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more money-making game reviews.